Assalamu alaikum children. Today I explain you various shape. You know we are surrounded by many different shapes. Today we discuss about lines and shapes. We draw curved line with the help of the pencil like this. And you can draw the straight line with the help of scale like this. Children, we have three kinds of straight lines. Number one, sweeping line. Number two, standing line. Number three, slanting line. Beta, it is called sweeping line because we sweep straight. Standing line, we stand straight. Slanting line like this. Okay? Using these lines, we can draw various shapes. Look at this shape. It is made of three straight lines. Two of are slanting lines and third one is sweeping line. This shape is called triangle. It has three straight lines and three corners. This shape here is made up of four equal straight lines. It is a square. It has four corners. It is also made up of four straight lines. So it has four straight lines. So it has four sides and four corners. But it is not a square because all its sides are not equal. बेटा इस शेप को देखिए, इसके चारों साइड्स इक्वल नहीं है, इसलिए हम इसको स्क्वायर नहीं कहेंगे. Only its opposite sides are equal. It is called rectangle. We have shape of curved line. Look at this shape. It is made of close curve. Okay, children, this shape is called circle. It is made up of curved line. It has no corner. We have another kind of shape which cannot be drawn on a sheet of a paper. For example, dice, cane, box and cap. These shapes are called solid shapes. Solid shapes have faces, edges and vertices. Here is a solid shape. It is a cube. It has 6 flat faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Children, this is a cuboid. It has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Now, look at this shape. It is cylinder. It has 3 faces, 2 flat faces, 2 flat faces, 1 curved face. It has 3 faces, 2 flat faces, 1, 2 flat faces and 1 curved face. It has 2 curved edges, 1, 2 curved edges and no vertex at all. Okay children, now observe this shape. It looks like a football. It has no vertex, no corner. It has only one curved face. It is called a sphere. Children, this shape is called cone. It has 2 faces, 1 curved face and 1 flat face. Cone has 2 faces, 1 curved face and 1 flat face. It also has 1 edge and 1 vertex. It is called cone. Children, do practice to draw all the shapes. You already done this topic in your previous class and learn about the shapes. Children, open page 153. Put the date and day. Read the caption. Do you remember? Match the faces with its name. Children, we already know the name of the shapes. Here we match the names with their shapes. First, you read the names of the shape: rectangle, circle, triangle and square. First name is rectangle. Find the rectangle and match with their face. Yes, this. Match like this. Second, circle. Match with their shape. Triangle. Match the triangle with their face. Square. Match the name with their face. Square. Now read the caption B. Join each shape to its name from the list. Beta, again we have solid shapes here. These are the flat shape, plain shapes, and these are solid shapes. Now first we read the name of the shape, then we match with the face. Cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere, cube. Yes, cuboid. Match the cuboid with their shape. Yes. Cylinder. match with the cylinder. Cone, you match with the cone. Sphere, you match with the sphere. And in the last, cube, match the dice with cube. And complete page 153. Now children, open your book, page number 161. Put the date and day and write homework. Topic is solid shapes. Read the caption. Name the shapes given below. Write cube or cone or cylinder or cuboid. Beta, look at this picture and tell me the shape of the hat. Hat shape? Yes, beta. Cube, cone, cylinder and cuboid. Yes. Cone. You write here cone. Yes. The second picture, look at this box and tell me the shape of this box. Beta, cube, cylinder or cuboid? Yes, it is not a cube, it is a cuboid. Right here, cuboid. Look at this Pepsi cane. What is the shape of this cane? Yes, it has cylinder shape. You write here cylinder. Look at this dice. What is the shape of this dice? Yes, cube. You write here cube. Read the caption caption 2. Match the statement with the correct shape. First, we read the sentence. Then we match with the picture. I have 12 edges. बेटा इसमें से बताइए कौन सा शेप है जिसके 12 edges होते हैं? Yes, cube. So we match the sentence with the cube like this. Read the second sentence. I have 0 edges and 0 vertices. Yes, जिसके 0 edges और 0 vertices होते हैं बेटा. Yes, match with the football. Sphere, match with the sphere. Read the sentence. See, I have 3 faces. 2 are plain and 1 is curved. Which shape it is beta? Yes, it is cylinder. Read the part D. I have only 1 vertex. Which shape it is beta? Yes, you match with the cone. Now children, open page 162. Put the date and day and read the caption. Plain and curved faces. Look carefully at these objects. They are things we see around us every day. Do they have plain faces, curved faces, or both? Plain and curved faces. In this page children, first we read the heading, flat faces, curved faces only, both plain and curved faces. Now children, see the pictures and find rubber, glass, egg, dice, water bottle, party hat, rolling pin, sharpener, beads, 5 rupees coin, juice and grapes. Flat faces. Find the flat faces beta. Yes, rubber. Okay, you write in the flat faces column. Second is glass. You write in the both plain and curved faces column. Right here glass. Look at the next picture. Egg. Egg has only one curved face. So we write curved faces column egg. The next picture, water bottle, party hat, write in their columns and complete page 162. Now move forward to the page 163. Put the date and day, read the caption, straight and curved lines. Do you remember straight lines and curved lines? In this page, children, first we read the alphabets and find which alphabets have straight curved lines and which have both curved and straight lines. First, we find the alphabets which has only straight lines. Read A, B, B is both curved and straight lines both. C, only curved line. E has straight lines. F has straight lines. And G has both curved and straight line both. So we write in this column. D has both curved and straight line. Complete this page 163. Now turn the page and write part 4, 5 and 6. Read the part 4, 800 plus 9 tenths. First we write here 800. 9 tenths means, students, 90. We write here 90. Count the numbers. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 9 is 9 and 8. Circle the answer 890. Read the part 5. The sums of greatest 3-digit number and the smallest 4-digit number is, children, the greatest 3-digit number is 999 and the smallest 4-digit number is 1000. So we add these numbers. Zero plus 9 is 9, 0 plus 9 is 9, 0 plus 9 is 9 and 1 here. Okay, the answer is 1999. Circle it. Part 6. Which one of the following answer is an odd number? बेटा जब हम 16 plus 4 करेंगे तो बेटा हमारे पास आंसर क्या आएगा? हमारे पास आंसर yes 20. Answer is 20. Now add 21 plus 3. 21 plus 3. Answer 3 plus 1 is 4. 24. Now add 29 plus 4. 29 plus 4. 9 plus 4 is 13. We write 3 here and 1 will be carried. 2 plus 1 is 3. 33. Now add 36 plus 2. 36 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is 8 and 3. Now tell me, children, which is the odd number? 20 is odd? No. 24 is odd? No. 38 is odd? No. 33 is an odd number. So we circle the 29 plus 4. Okay, children, on the next page, put the date, day, write the page number 165 and 171. Write the heading, word problems. Read the question number 1. In our class, there are 18 girls and 23 boys. How many children are there in the class? बेटा अब हम दोनों नंबर्स को पहले कॉपी करेंगे और फिर उनको ऐड करेंगे. Then we know the answer. First we write 18, then 23, add the number, 8 plus 3, 8 is in our mind, 3 on the finger, 9, 10, 11. We write here 1 and 1 will be carried. 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 plus 2 is 4. So, the answer is 41. There are 41 students, children in the class. Read the part B, question B. Read the question 2. In our box, there are 56 red marbles and 79 blue marbles. How many marbles in all? So children, again we do the same method. We write 56 and 79. Add the numbers and write the answer. Now children, turn the page. Start question 3. Najma saved rupees 650 in June and rupees 225 in July. How much did she save in 2 months? First, we write children 650. Then we write 225. Add the numbers and write the answer. Okay, children, complete question 1, 2 and 3 in your notebook.